In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pop out of a ripped paper hole in Canva. We'll create that fun effect where your subject looks like it's bursting through torn paper. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left sidebar, click Uploads. This is where you'll bring in the photo you want to use. If the file is already in your computer's folder, simply drag and drop it straight into the Canva window. It will appear on your canvas immediately. Resize the image so it neatly fills the entire canvas. Grab a corner handle and drag while keeping the proportions natural. Aim for edge-to-edge coverage so there are no gaps along the sides. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar at the top, type ripped paper. You'll see a mix of photos and graphics. Choose a graphic that looks like a torn paper hole with a transparent center so your photo can show through. Click to add it to your canvas, then scale and position it over the area where you want the pop-out to happen. You can rotate slightly if that helps the tear feel more organic. With the ripped paper selected, duplicate it to create a second copy. Keep this duplicate perfectly aligned with the first. We'll use one copy as the back layer of the tear and the other as the front edge for depth. Now select your main photo on the canvas and duplicate it as well. We'll turn this duplicate into the subject cutout. With the duplicate selected, open Edit Image and click BG Remover. Let Canva process the image. If you see small areas that need refining, use the available brushes to clean the edges. Then apply the change. Place the cutout over the center of the torn paper opening and adjust the size so it looks like the subject is emerging through the hole. Subtle nudges and slight scaling make a big difference here. Finish by fine-tuning the overall size of the cutout and the torn paper graphics so they feel cohesive. A helpful way to think about the stacking order is this: your full background photo at the very back, one ripped paper graphic just above it to define the inner edge, your cutout photo above that to create the pop-out, and finally the duplicated ripped paper graphic on top to form the front rim of the tear. As you tweak sizes, keep everything aligned so the edges match and the illusion stays seamless. That's it. With a few simple adjustments, you've created a convincing ripped paper pop-out in Canva.